Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Sync and kvCORE so that all those leads and contacts you're getting in Sync in Commissions Inc., they can automatically go into kvCORE. You can even hashtag them. It's super easy to set this up. Let me show you how. The first thing you're going to do is go to apination.com and click on Start Syncing. Then you're going to see a ton of different apps, marketing apps, productivity apps, and real estate apps. All these apps you can sync and automate to make your life a lot easier. I'm going to scroll down to C for Sync, Commissions Inc. Click on that, and it's going to show me the apps I can connect with Sync. So you can see I have a few different options: Chime, Follow Boss, kvCORE, and MoxieWorks. Today we're connecting kvCORE, so I'm going to click on that tile, and it's going to show me the sync available is Sync Leads into kvCORE. So I'm going to activate that sync. And the first step is to sign into your API Nation account. If you don't have one yet, you can click here to create one. You can even sign in with Google, which is what I'm going to do. And then once you're signed in, you're going to connect both of these apps. So to connect Sync, you're just going to hit this button. It's going to take you out to the Sync website, and you're just going to sign in as normal with your Sync site, your username, and password. And there you go. It's now connected. You can see the account is there to select for this sync. So I'll select it. And then we're going to do a similar thing with kvCORE. You'd hit the connect button. It'll take you out to the kvCORE page to sign in and authorize the connection. And then that app is ready to go and connected as well. All right, so both apps are now connected. Very simple here. Do you want to sync all the contacts on this first run? So when we start up the sync, do you want all existing contacts from Sync, from Commissions Inc., pushed into kvCORE? If that's what you want, check the box. If you just want it to start paying attention from now on to any new contacts that get added from today going forwards, uncheck the box. As they get added to kvCORE, if they already exist in kvCORE, do you want to overwrite the record in kvCORE? Or you can check the box and say, don't overwrite kvCORE, but if there's any extra information, an additional phone number, an additional email, go ahead and fill that stuff in. I'm going to go ahead and check the box and select that. And now we've created this sync and it's basically ready to go. There's just a couple things I want to show you. So here's all the stuff we set up on that last page. And there's two more pieces here, two more tools. The first is the filter tool. So the filter is going to look at all the stuff coming over from Sync, and you can filter the contacts going into kvCORE based on any of these fields. So if you only want to send people into kvCORE who are from the zip code 90210, you can do that. You can do it based on zip code. You can do it based on source or status. Maybe once they reach a certain status in Sync, you can have them sent into kvCORE. Totally up to you. Or you can just clear this out, go no filter, and then it'll send over all the contacts that you add or update in Sync into kvCORE. Finally, you come down here to mapping. You can see first name's going to first name, last name's going to last name. If there's anything else you want to add, just hit the plus sign and add it, just like that. Also, you can come down here to tags. Maybe you want to tag it Sync. If you just write words like that, write text like that, it's going to be a static tag. You could also tag it with maybe like the status, and then it'll be a dynamic tag, bringing over information from Sync. So either way, up to you. But this looks good. I am going to go ahead and activate this sync. So there we go. The sync is now up and running. Now, anytime I add a contact or update a contact in Commissions Inc. in Sync, it's going to go into kvCORE. I don't have to download, upload, import, export, none of that anymore. No more double data entry. I can just focus on what I want from each of these apps, use the two apps as one, be way more productive, and create more deals. If you have any questions or need any assistance setting up this sync, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, and we're connecting the world's applications.